here's a video if you're trying to get organized in your garage or shop. But you know, if you got a 3D printer, I mean, put it to work printing pegboard hooks. Right there's one that I printed last night. I just upgraded to a glass bed today, and it seems to be already printing a lot better. Another bed on here was just sticking and have a hard time getting it off, but yeah, this is going to come in handy. I even got pegboards in my basement. But I've been using the printer since I got it up and running a couple days ago, and just, you know, pegboards, hooks, that's just going to come in handy. So yeah, all different shapes and sizes. Yeah, thanks for watching.